And don't you just hate it when you're deep in a treasure hunt in Avowed and you realize you're out of lockpicks? Uh, well, worry not, because today I'm going to share some secrets to keep your adventuring days smooth sailing. Uh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to help us keep the gaming videos coming. Avowed, the RPG from Obsidian Entertainment, drops you into a world where magic and danger are never far away. As you journey through the living lands, you'll encounter lock chests galore, each one hiding something valuable. But fear not, because lockpicks are your key to unlocking these treasures. Uh, Finding lockpicks in Avowed isn't always easy, but there are a few reliable spots. After a battle, sometimes you can loot lockpicks from fallen enemies for a more consistent supply. Hit up the merchants around the Living Lambs. Lenina at Cladiger's Landing is your best friend, often keeping a few lockpicks in stock. In Shantytown Secondhand Sundries is another good spot. If you're in Paradis, shops like Desperate Measures, Extremely Legal Goods, and Grinning Balrog regularly stock lockpicks. Lockpicks cost just 17 copper coins each from the consumable section of any merchant. Always remember to grab some whenever you're in town or close to a merchant. Keep an eye on the merchant's inventory. Not all shops carry lockpicks. And cracking locks in Avowed is as straightforward as it gets. Just press the X button and your lockpick vanishes into thin air. No complicated mini games here, just loot. But remember, once you use a lockpick, it's gone forever. So always keep your stash full to avoid missing out on any hidden treasures. Need more lockpicks. And here's a little trick. Find a party camp, activate it, and then leave it 5 times or more. And this fast forwards the game's time. And when you return to the merchant, their inventory should be restocked with goodies like lockpicks and potions. And there you have it, folks. A few simple tips to keep your lockpicking endeavor smooth. Who knew managing lockpicks could be so much fun? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.